Welcome back to Grey Guild. This is Glenn, and this is our next installment of our vlog for our Bricklink Store. As you can see, I have only a couple of kits left to part out from the last vlog, so everything has been inventoried, and this is all I have left to reincorporate into my inventory that was already been before. I just have a little bit more to work on this week, and then we have over here with our extra bins. We've almost run out of room again, so this is all we have left is a little over 4.5 rows from the last. So we've got space to do probably the next couple. I'm working on trying to find some more kits. There were some on this holiday, but I didn't want to invest a whole lot more. I want to see what sells from here, so we'll see how sales go. These are not quite full, so I still have a lot of space to grow, as well as over there I still have bins for the minifigures, stickers, and lot quantities or bulk quantities that I got from the pad wall and so forth. May go maybe sometime in December to the Lego store and see what they have changed out on that pad wall and see if I can incorporate that. Now we have our financials, our numbers, and so again our item count went up to 27,796, and our lot count is at 2,936, with a value of the store at 3,466. We had a couple of orders this last week, which surprised me. I didn't think we were going to get any, so I think we're doing okay as far as orders go. And so like I said, I think I'm just going to let it ride over this next couple of months. I may part out these last two kits and then see if the other two are on Bricklink yet, and see if I can part those out. But I'm not planning on getting any more stuff this year, because I've invested quite a bit to just get everything running. So we'll just see how it goes, and we'll see you on the next update. Thank you for watching. Bye.